In this video, I will show you how to receive USDT on TRC20 on Binance. So basically what you have to do, we have to come and tap on Binance. After tapping on our Binance, on the left top hand corner, there's always 3 dots over here. So when we tap on it, we have to look for deposit. Deposit is over here. We will tap on deposit and it will bring select coins. So there's a bunch of coins over here, so we have to go on a search bar. We have to look for USDT, which is over here. When you tap on USDT, it will bring choose network. We're looking for TRC20, which is the second one. I will tap on TRC20, which is the second one, and after that it will bring deposit wallet, deposit USDT. Below the QR code there's network and there's deposit address. So what you have to do, we have to copy the address. This address, we will paste it on the wallet that we're going to use for sending and receiving the money on our Binance wallet. So what you have to do, we have to go on our Bybit wallet. So I'll come and tap on my Bybit wallet. After tapping on Bybit wallet, we have to look for assets. Assets is over down here. So I'll tap on assets. I'll look for withdraw. I'll tap on withdraw. After tapping on withdraw, still will bring a bunch of coins and it says select coins. So I'll go on search bar and I look for USDT Tether. So I'll tap on USDT Tether. It will bring withdraw on a chain or internal transfer. So I'll tap on chain. So after all that, after tapping on a chain, it will bring address, network, and amount. So remember the address we copy on our Binance wallet. So we have to come along, press here, and we paste. As you can see, the address is there. So below the address, there's network. We are looking for TRC20. That's the network we are using to deposit the money, and we will receive it on our Binance wallet. So it's over here, the first one. So I'll tap on it. So below the network, there's amount. For example, it depends on amount of the money, on the amount of the money you want to send and receive it on your Binance wallet. So I'll, for example, maybe $10, and after that, there's withdraw down over here. You just come and tap on withdraw, and that's how you'll receive the money on your Binance wallet. So if you find the video useful for you, make sure you subscribe and like. Thank you. Wait for the next video.